Good morning, guys. We have yesterday we have seen like what is the major difference between the custom labels, custom metadata, and custom settings, right? Today we will just see how to use those labels, custom metadata or custom setting. We will see in validation rules, okay? Because we are using we are just learning the how to write the validation rules, right? In the same way, we can use the same concept in flows also that we will see when we are learning flows. Okay. So today we are just going to see how to use. Till yesterday we learned how to create a custom metadata or custom setting and what is the major difference between the custom metadata and custom settings. Why do we go with the custom metadata? And what is the scenario that we can't achieve with custom metadata and we have to go with the custom setting? That is the hierarchical. Okay. These are the things that we discussed in yesterday's class. Okay. Today, we will just see how to use those metadata or custom settings in real-time examples. Okay. Let us assume uh, already we have written one validation rule on the opportunity line item, right? On the quantity. So let me go to that particular object, opportunity product object, and let me go to the validation rules. Okay, quantity should be always less than 100. Okay, this is the one of the validation rule that we have seen. And here, basically we said we are trying to use the custom label, but anyway it is returning a string value. Okay, so we need some type conversion thing. Instead of that, let me see how to use metadata. Okay, whenever you create the custom metadata, guys, you are going to see here. Like in case of if you create custom labels, you are going to get the thing of labels. Okay, whenever you are creating the custom metadata, you are going you are going to get custom metadata, all your metadata records that you created here. Or in case of custom settings, these are the ones. It will display like this. Product settings is the one. You created the custom setting, right? In that you have different, as part of your product setting, you created two fields, product max quantity and product type, right? So these are the two field values that you can access. If I say product max quantity, insert, so quantity is greater than, okay, product max quantity. So here this is 1000. Okay, in future if you would like to change this value, you no need to touch the validations, because right now I am just writing a single validation, guys. You may use this value in multiple validation or multiple scenarios. So it's really difficult to go and change each and everything. So instead of that, whenever you want to change the max quantity, you will directly go to this setting and you will change this particular field value. Okay. When I click on check syntax, quantity should be always less than. I'm just going to change it as a always less than max quantity. Okay, there is a limitation, guys. The number of characters that you can enter in the rule name. Quantity should not exceed, should be less than max quantity. Okay, we can just some proper naming convention and then we can click on check syntax. So When you click on check syntax, in case of any errors in the formula field, it will just display those errors, or else it will just display no errors found. That means the formula is correct. So we have stored quantity value in one of the custom setting, and we just comparing that quantity with the given quantity, right? And um, in case of any error, we are going to display for the quantity field and clicking on save. So this is the one of the validation rule we have. Now we have on the opportunity product. So let me try to create one opportunity product, because our validations will fire always whenever you are trying to create a record or edit a record. Okay. So we can do two things. Either we can create one of the opportunity product records, or we can edit opportunity, any of the existing opportunity product records. So I would like to just go through one of the opportunity product records. For that, basically we can access our opportunity products from our opportunity records. Okay, so this is the opportunity, and whenever you add some particular product to opportunity, this particular thing we call it as a opportunity product record. Okay, so here quantity you have given 1, and let me try to edit and try to give a quantity of 2000. Okay, and click on save. See, so quantity exceed the max. So you can have some help text kind of thing next to quantity, guys. Okay, because you are getting this error and none of the validations, it is saying that the max quantity is 500. Okay, I was in the error message exceeds max quantity. So here there are multiple ways, guys. If you don't want to hard code the valid, if you don't want to change the validation rule, uh, you can give the help text to quantity field. Okay, we can go to the opportunity, and we can go to the field and relationship, and we can go to the quantity field and click on edit, and you can just simply give a help text like max quantity is 1000. Okay, so in that case, whenever a validation rules comes up, user will get to know, okay, max quantity is 1000. Otherwise, there is no way that you are saying that what is the max quantity, right? So help text is something like that. If you would like to give some information to the end users, then we will just give the help text next to that particular field. Okay, that help text we can configure in the field itself. So right now I have given help text for the quantity field. It's not displaying. Max quantity is 1000. It's there. Guys, just trust me. It will not happen in real time marks. Okay. The refresh is really fast. So because every time when I'm doing some change, it is not refreshing immediately in the lightning version. It is might be because of just like this is the trial arcs, right? Free arcs. That's the reason they were not maintaining it correctly, like efficiently. But in production arcs, right, it will take a little bit time to get a reflection in lightning version, but it will, but within 2 to 3 minutes, we will see the changes. Okay. So now I'm going to opportunity product just to show you how the help text looks like. I'm opening up in the classic version, guys. Okay. This is the opportunity we are looking for and products. And this is the product which we are opportunity product. See, this is how a help text looks like. Okay. When you click on edit, basically whenever you see, you give some 2000 or 3000, you give the quantity and immediately you got quantity exceeded max. Then obviously we don't know what is the max quantity. Then obviously what we will see, we will go to the help text. Max quantity is 1000. Then we will just give any value less than 1000. Okay, click on save. Okay, again quantity exceed the max quantity. So if this happens in the real time, guys, they will raise a bug. Say that, see, here it is saying max quantity is 1000, but when I give the 900 also, it is not accepting. Okay, that is the bug, they will raise it. Okay, in that case, then we have to analyze it. Why this error is happening? So, any idea, guys? Where do I go and where do I check? Okay, from where this error message is coming up? I need answer, guys. I'm just waiting for your answers, okay? Where we configured this error message? Hello? Are you guys there?
Yes, madam.
Okay. We are getting quantity exceed max error message, right? Where we configured this error message? What is validation rules, guys? Do one thing, okay? Um, Legion validation rules class, okay? Yesterday's class and day before yesterday's class. And you guys can just tell me, and also I'll share the today's class recording, okay? And you can just tell me where this quantity exceeds max. Error message is coming. Why this error message is coming? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Because guys, if you are not able to understand why this error message, okay, let me do one thing. If I give 2000 here and click on save, the error message is coming, right? So why this error message is coming? Where we configured this error message? Okay. Listen yesterday's class and day before yesterday's class, guys. Okay. And make sure that you answer this. Why this error message is coming up if I give 2000 here? Okay. That is my question. If I give 2000 here, I am getting quantity exceeds max error message. So you guys should answer me why this error message is coming if I give 2000 value on quantity. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
I'm going to share the recording after this class itself, and I'll continue the class on validations tomorrow if you answer the question only, guys. Otherwise, I'll just move on to the next topic. Just trust me. If you all in a position that you are not able to answer this question, then it's no point of explaining the rest of the things on validations. Okay. So my question is very simple. Like we are getting quantity exceeds max error, and my answer is, I'm sorry, my question is why we are getting this error when I am trying to create, when I am trying to edit the opportunity product. And I'm sure you can answer this if you watch out the last two videos. Okay. Take your time, watch out last two videos on validation rules, and tomorrow morning, the first thing is each and everyone should answer this question. Okay? Okay then. Any other questions you guys have?